Hey, what's going down, guys? It's your homeboy. You already know what it is. We're back with another one. And today we're gonna talk about what is affiliate marketing. You know what I'm saying? So if you're connected to a business or a brand and you're not making money, dude, this is another source of income. You know what I'm saying? So if you're an artist or a struggling artist for that matter, you can go and apply to these sites, and basically all you do is push people to their link to buy stuff and you get paid money. Yeah, it's that simple. Now, affiliate marketing is a marketing arrangement by which an online retailer pays a commission to an external website for the traffic or sales generated from its referrals. Now, what does an affiliate marketer do? Affiliate marketing is the process of earning a commission by promoting another person's products, and if you like it, promote it to others, and you can learn a piece of the profit for each of the sales you make. It's that simple. Yeah, it's that simple. Now, I've done videos where it talks about me and how you can get a discount from DistroKid if you sign up with DistroKid and all that stuff. You know what I'm saying? And that's affiliate marketing, bro. You know what I'm saying? It's that simple. You know what I'm saying? Now, how do you become affiliate marketing? You know what I'm saying? Honestly, you can just search up like affiliate marketing. You can sign up for sites there. You can find sites. Another great way to find affiliates is to list the products and affiliate networks such as ShareSale, ClickBank, JVZoo. Now, there's many other sites, you know what I'm saying, but you're going to want to make sure that the products you're selling are relatable to your brand, first of all, because if you're a business or an entity, you don't want to be selling stuff that has no relation to what you're doing or stuff like that, because the most sales you're going to get is because of people coming to see your videos on these certain topics. You understand what I'm saying? So make sure it's relatable to your brand, to your company, to your organization, and your business. Now, affiliate marketers who are looking to promote a product, you can search them and make sure it's a great program, that you're making a good commission, and it's a win-win for both you guys, not just on their end. You know what I'm saying? Because there's some people that like, well, they only pay me this much. You know what I'm saying? Like, every person that clicks on that link, you should be getting paid for it. You know what I'm saying? Every person. You know what I'm saying? So if you're driving traffic to these people, then you should be getting paid for it. Now, don't sleep, because affiliate marketing, there's a lot of people that are making a lot of money doing affiliate marketing. It's pretty easy. It's pretty simple. All you need to do is sign up and register. Now, how does an affiliate marketer get paid? Now, the company pays off a percentage of the sale. Now, or they pay off the percentage of clicks. You understand what I'm saying? So the people that are driven to their site, they probably give you like 25 cents or something stupid, like 5 cents or something, or less than a cent, or it just depends on what the company is. Now, they're going to pay you through a direct payment or a check. I don't know when. Now, you can decide that for yourself, but there's a lot of people that use Amazon as affiliate. You know what I'm saying? And I might look into this because I use Amazon a lot. A lot of people other than me do also, that I see, that I watch, that I learn from, and they have some pretty good products. I've bought a lot of stuff from them, and their products actually work. Now, affiliate marketing is just connecting with a site, and you're helping them push your fans to their site so that they can make sales. You know what I'm saying? And you're going to get paid to do that. You know what I'm saying? It's basically like, you don't have to contact these people, but if they do click on your site, if they do make a purchase, you're going to get paid. You know what I'm saying? So don't sleep on that, guys. And as you're building a fan base as artists and all that stuff, you're going to want this, set it up, and have those affiliate marketing connections and links so that you can get an extra source of income. You know what I'm saying? Because all these dollars come into connection at the end of the year. You know what I'm saying? You're not just making money off your music. You're not just making money off your merch and sales, or you're not just making money off your shows. You can be making money in so many different areas across the board, like owning a business, affiliate marketing, doing videos, content creating, helping other people, uh, and as an artist, dude, there's about 100 different ways you can make money. Now, the hustle is up to you. How hard you want to get it like it is. You know what I'm saying? And make sure you go check out affiliate marketing and all that good stuff. If you like this video, make sure you smash that thumbs up button because honestly, affiliate marketing is the new way to make money easily online. Sure, it's going to take some time, but if you're already growing a fan base as an artist, trust me, you're going to want to push people to these links so you can make extra income and build for a company that you really do like or invest time in. You know what I'm saying? So if you didn't like this video, make sure you drop a comment. Make sure you tell me what you didn't like and how I can better make these videos and all that good stuff. Peace out. Hope you guys love these contents and all this creation of these videos I'm doing. More is going to be on the way. So don't sleep. Always stay hustling and never give up on your dreams and goals in life, guys. This has been your homeboy, SM. Check out affiliate marketing when you get a chance and make sure you connect with them sites. Peace.